Okay, this would be day 3 for 13.3. These are just more and more and more examples. I'm going to change this one to 0 degrees instead. Okay, let's just do 3 more or 4 more. This is the last day of this same stuff. Make yourself a picture. 225 puts you in this quadrant. Bring it up to the x-axis. This is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. I went really fast, but I went out on the x-axis a -1, and I went down on the y-axis a -1, and the hypotenuse is √2. This is the reciprocal of sine. And sine is y over r, so it's going to be r over y. So the r in this problem is √2, and the y in this problem is a -1, which ends up being a negative √2. Tangent of 120 puts you in this quadrant. Make yourself a triangle. Your reference angle is 60 degrees. Opposite of 60 is always √3. Opposite of 30 is a -1 because I went to the left, and the hypotenuse is 2. Tangent is opposite over hypotenuse, or y over x, and the y in this problem is √3. And the x is a -1, or the same thing is a negative √3. This one over here, 315, puts you in this quadrant. This is 45, -1, +1, √2. This is the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is x over r, so this one is r over x. The r is the radius or the hypotenuse, and the x is 1 or √2. See how much faster it's going? This is the cotangent of 0 degrees. 0 degrees lands right on the axis. You'd get out there 1, 0. This is the x, this is the y. The radius is always 1. It's supposed to make a little circle like that, and that's why the radius is 1. Cotangent is x over y. The x is 1 and the y is 0. Undefined, or no solution for that one. Okay, that's the last set of notes for 13.3.